Hi, hope you are doing great. Today topic how to contact Fiverr customer support. If you are facing any issue, then you can contact Fiverr customer support anytime. So today my issue is I am using only one payment option which is Payoneer. Now I want to add my local bank transfer also. So this is my problem statement, two payment method at same time. So these are the steps. So let's see how we can do this. So the first step is open new window and type here Fiverr customer support. Then click this one. You can see here Fiverr help and educator. I am already logged in, so that's why my account here you can see. So my account also selects seller level. I am not a buyer, so that's why automatically select this one. You have to scroll page down and here you can see the option contact support. I'm clicking this. So here is the steps now. You can see here I select category related to your issue. So you have to select the one which fulfill your requirements. So my one is account and security, the main category. Inside this, I am now interested in general information. So I'm select this. So here is the subject now. My subject is to payment method at same time. And for description, I already write here for saving time. I'm pasting it here directly. So you can see here, let me here. Hey, hope you are doing great. Currently, I have Pioneer method option for payment withdrawal. Now I want to add my local bank. Also, can I do this and use both things? So this is my description and then select category done. Fill form also. The third step is submit. So now I am clicking this button send request. You can see here request was sent successfully. You are a valued member of our Fiverr community. We'll get back to you soon with an answer to request. So now my request sent successfully. Hope within next 1 to 2 hours I receive response from Fiverr customer support. Thanks.